it's the first step to put the consumer in the center of the new model. We are in an energy transition, but we must speak about how the consumer has money to invest in an electrical vehicle, how the consumer has money to invest in a solar panel, and I think that it's it's a difficult point. It's a new business model that will change the electricity market, and really we have pilots in Europe, especially. But for example, in Catalonia, in our cluster, we have an enclosed network in a mountain next to Vic, in a city. But really, it's a new model. It's a new model like another companies in other sectors. But I think that it's a correct way to create competition in the market, because I think that it's necessary to create to be more players in the market. It's necessary to have the consumer, he's first, the consumer, and then we must change the electricity market. We must speak about the energy efficiency. We must speak about other concepts. This concept of energy transition is important to be all the companies, private, public, and everybody, because it's a transversal, it's a global transition. For example, in the cluster, we have an experience. We have a non-profit association. We have the councils. We have research centers, and we have private companies. And we know that working together, we can change, no? Because everybody has different experiences, and everybody can do different things, and speaking and trying to accelerate, no, this process. But I think that this is the way, working together and with the same concept. The consumer must be in the center of the new model and the transition, and we need an active consumer. I think that this is the difference. If a consumer manage his consumption, electricity company can pay money to the consumer, and with this money, the consumer can buy a solar panel or can buy an electrical car. It must be a win-win, that we say, no, between the generators and the consumers, and the electricity market must be where the consumer can earn money to invest in solar panels or electrical vehicles. It's the beginning of the revolution, and the question is this: that we have thousands of clients that call us and, okay, Xavier, I want green energy, and more the electricity companies are moving to close PPAs or contracts with the generator to supply green energy to the consumers. And I think that this is the beginning. It's an opportunity to be here, and I think that everybody, no, must think in this, no, that the consumer is first, and the consumer now is asking about green energy. It's about the solar panels, about electricals, and we have a responsibility. We have a good challenge, really, and it's necessary to be together and to fight together, big companies and small companies, engineers and no-engineers, because it's an opportunity that we have in front of us, and we have to work really hard to get it.